little quick update, y'all. Working on the Cutlass. Still getting everything prepped up and done, man. Ended up starting to do the ball joints myself, y'all. I mean the bushings myself. Instead of taking them out, just decided just to go and keep them in house. So got our little contraption over here or whatever. So hold on, let me flip the camera around. So got a little ball joint press. Getting them things knocked out. The old ones out. Got the new ones and all them already. New fresh. So we at it, man. Couldn't set my stand up today, so forgot all my equipment at the house this morning, so we're working off the phone right now. Just getting a little documentation, y'all. About to pop these old ones out of this one. 2 more right here. Change them out, and then we're gonna jump on the control ones. Got them laying over there. So that's what we got going on today, y'all. Don't forget to check out my man. Video gonna be coming behind this one. Man, he's scarring the whole thing, y'all. Scar everything. Yes, got that screen right there. It's about to get ready to go in there. So you busy. We getting to it, y'all. So, hey, a little bit. Again, we just checking in. So we at it, man. We at it. It's a slow grind, but hey, we getting it, boy. Keep it locked. Get you back on for some more updates. One-handed, y'all. One-handed. Ooh, hit the toes. I ain't got steel toes on. I did crush my corner. Had too big of a damn thing on it. But we got it done. I'm gonna tap this back out just that a little bit. That's how you keep this mud from collapsing. If I find a video on where I seen dude gave me the idea, if I seen it on YouTube somewhere, I'll let y'all know. Let you check out his video. Dude, I got the idea from. But yes, we getting it done. We getting it done. Them man pajamas all ready. Now I'm about to jump to the control ones. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so check this out. We got the one side of the bushing out, man. If y'all didn't know, you'll never fit the complete control arm in there. I mean, this press in there with both bushings in there. So after getting that bushing out, drilling it out, knocking it out, I realized that I have some space with the bushing out to run the socket in there to go ahead and press the second one out and then push it back in and take this one out, the other side out, and put the new one back in before I go back to the other one, so I don't have to do the same thing on one side. I'm hoping this will work. We're gonna see. I ain't gonna be able to record and but this is an experiment. We're gonna see how it work out. Turn you back on in a second. All right, y'all, so we back. We got the rear control arms, all new bushings put in, old bushings. We got one of the lower control arm done. As you see, we got new bushings in it, new ball joint. Got that all popped in. New bolt. Put my boot back on there. So we got all this situated. So we got one down, 3 more to go. 2 more, yeah, 3 more to go. Come on, what's up with my threads? Oh, okay. Oh, my threads was messed up there for a second, y'all. New ball joint popped in. So we got 3 more to do. We got 1 more lower and 2 uppers. Complete this process. So just a quick update. I might get a little video of me messing with the the uppers. Like I said yesterday in the video, man, how I did this was I got the one popped out. I don't remember how I did it. Okay, this is what I did. So I took this side, I drilled it out, drilled all the rubber out, got that shim, that sleeve up out of there, and then I was able to put some slits in it. Let me see if I can find that piece. I don't know where it's at. I was able to put some slits in it and knock it out. And knock it completely out. I done lost the sleeve. I don't know where it went to, y'all, but I was able to drill out the rubber, knock that insert out, and then I put some cuts onto the sleeve. And I took a chisel and a hammer, and I was able to pop it out. And then once I got that one out, I was able to put the C-clamp on the second one, run the rod through here, and then run my rod through that hole like that, and I was able to get the C-clamp on the second bushing and push that out. So it worked out pretty good where I didn't, there it go, where I, see, that's what I did, where I cut it up, put some slashes in it, and I just basically beat it out. So it kind of worked out, a little time consuming, but we got her out of there. Got new bushings popped in, new ball joints put in. So that's just a quick update. Probably won't get you on video doing that second one, but we gonna get her done, y'all. We gonna get her done. All right, that's just a quick update. Keep it locked, and I'll turn you back on in a second. We got the rear all done, and we got the lower control arm done with new ball joints in them. So man, I decided, man, we've been sitting over here, I've been over here examining these uppers. I think I decided, man, I looked them up. It's $118 for a new set. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and order a new set. Can't find the tool for the upper. So man, I'm like, at this point, I'm tired of fighting with it. After all the cutting and beating on these, doing them lowers. Yep, I think that's enough of that. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and order the new uppers, man. I'm gonna be done with this. That's enough for this for the day. But man, guess we'll click you back on and get some more, man. Yes, sir.
got better. You try to ready to lifting things.
I mean, that's what you want to do. Absolute lithiums, dry cells.
Check it out. Got the rear trailer arm bushings on the rear end done. So hey, here it is, man. Now your boy about ready for paint now, boys. About time to set it up. Yes, sir. We've been talking about it for a little minute. But the time has come, man. Next step gonna be cleaning everything up, getting all this grease off. The grease and everything, you probably run the darn wire wheel around it one more time, knock a little bit of that rust off. Then the grease, prep it, and get ready to paint. Yes, sir. All right, so we out here prepping, man. We prepping. We finally about to, today is the day we about to finally start painting, man. It's been a long time coming, but we about to start painting today, y'all. We about to start painting. Now I need to take these off real quick. Forgot about them. We take them off real quick. But we got everything hung. Made me a little Jimmy rig stand, man, so I didn't have to paint this little stuff in the building. So yes, sir, man. Today is the day, so we about to I already done started the process, man. Forgot to set up my stand. We done started by degreasing already. So we got the degreaser going. That's done set. That's done set. We done rinse it off. I'm gonna do it again one more time. There's an ant back there making all that damn noise. But yeah, we're gonna degrease it one more time, and then we're gonna start metal prepping. So I'm waiting on them to bring me a spray bottle. AutoZone gonna run me a spray bottle over, so I can keep the product, so I can keep the stuff wet, because you got to keep it wet with that metal prep for about 20 minutes so it'll etch and do its thing. So man, we're gonna set you up on a time lapse, man, while I'm getting some of this stuff done, man. And what time is it? I'm hoping to start spraying here in the next hour. Go ahead, make up a batch of this 415 for the spray gun, and we're gonna spray it, y'all. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. I got the other camera set up. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse so we can get this work getting done, man. Yes, sir. It's that time. Yes, sir. Keep it locked. All right, y'all. So we all ready, man. Look at the sky, y'all. Look at the sky. It's supposed to be 73 and sunny today. That's what the news said. But it looked like it's about to rain, bro. I've been out here prepping. Sun was out this morning. I've been out here prepping. Got everything set, man. Everything hung up. I'm on about to get ready to go to step 3, which is paint. Yes, sir. We got it all metal prepped and all. But man, yeah, bro. The sky ain't looking good right now. Wind started blowing. I'm like, man, I don't even know if I want to paint now, man. But I done did all this. I think I'm about to go for it, man. I hope it don't start raining on me, man. I think we're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna give this stuff about 10 more minutes to dry. And I'm gonna wait about 5, and then I might start mixing up my paint, man. Try to get ready to spray, man. Again, we're going with the Pour 15. Going with the Pour 15. I have used some already. I actually did the trunk of the 68, man, on my hinges and stuff, man. I think it came out pretty good, man. You don't see none of that white no more. Missed a spot right there, though. Missed a spot right there. But that junk look good, man. That junk ain't white no more. But yeah. So wait about 10 more minutes. Gonna wait about 10 more minutes, man, and then I'm gonna mix up this paint. And I think we're gonna go to spraying, man. I had my compressor on for a minute, building up my air, so got my pressure turned down for my gun. Got my gun all set up. Be ready to go. I just gotta add the paint to it. So, and we're just going through these steps, man. So, hey, keep it locked. You gonna catch us on the time lapse spraying this joint, yo. Yes, sir. check it out. Got that paint laid. Got that paint laid, yes sir. I think she came out great, y'all. I ain't even gonna front, y'all. This is my first time painting with an actual spray gun, so I'm kind of impressed, you know what I'm saying, with myself. Kudos to me, you know what I'm saying. I'm kind of impressed with myself a little bit. I was giving myself a little bit of grief. I thought it was gonna be a little bit harder than that, but I think she came out great, man. She looked 10 times better than what she did, bro. That's for sure, man. Drop below in the comments right now, man. Let me know, man, what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all think. Yes, sir. That is that Pour 15. Yeah, I know I sprayed it outside. I might have a little trash in it, but it is what it is. I didn't feel like covering everything up in the shop. I still got my 68 in there, so I didn't feel like getting no paint everywhere. So, and with the wind blowing out here, it kind of took the overspray away, so I ain't even got a lot of overspray on my tank or nothing that I got my thing posted up on. So, man, I think it came out great, y'all. I'm impressed. I am impressed. So, I guess we're gonna call a wrap to this video, man. I'll call a wrap to this one. And I guess the next thing we're gonna be doing is painting a frame. So I don't know, man. Who knows? This might get cut off. I might throw in the clip of doing the frame of the car into this video as well. I just don't know yet. But if it is, man, the end of this video, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we gonna catch y'all on the next bit. Yes, sir.